Hey there, Chris Mortimer, the Yacht Hunter, and we're answering the question that I get asked pretty much every day, and that is a yacht a good investment? And the simple answer to that is absolutely not. It's a depreciating asset, it's capital intensive, it's a negotiable instrument at the end of the day, yet there's a yacht over 100 feet being purchased every 1.3 days. So what do yacht owners know that the rest of us do not? The first reason why a yacht is a good investment is what any salesman is going to tell you. It's a lifestyle investment. You're going to get to travel the way you want. You're going to get to do whatever you want. It's going to really allow you to enjoy yourself beyond belief. And while that's certainly true, there's a little bit more to it. The second reason being why a yacht is a good investment is a lot of yacht owners find out they're great for business. Whether you're entertaining clients, whether you're using it in negotiations, whether you're incentivizing those that work around you to be like you, a yacht is a great business tool. And although it can look ugly on the balance sheet, the dividends it pays beyond the balance sheet are really significant. I've had a number of owners tell me that it's almost unquantifiable, but it's substantial what comes from owning a yacht. And the third reason why a yacht is a good investment depends based on the person, based on the ownership structure, but there's a number of tax benefits that are accompanied by yacht ownership. So to find out how your tax benefits might be different than another owner's, you're always going to want to speak to a CPA and a maritime attorney to optimize and make sure that you take full advantage. Those are the inside dirty secrets as to why a yacht is a good investment. So if I change your mind, be sure to like this video and subscribe for other great yacht purchasing content as well. Be sure to check out my website, www.theyachthunter.com. And until next time, happy yachting, my friends.